Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of karaoke machines.
And I'm excited to introduce you to what I consider the best soundprint speakers available in the market, the TONOR Karaoke Machine. If you're someone who loves hosting karaoke parties or just enjoys singing your heart out at home, this karaoke machine is going to be your new best friend. Let's jump right into the details.
First off, let's talk about sound quality.
The TONOR Karaoke Machine features an impressive 8-inch subwoofer, two 3-inch tweeters, and a peak power output of up to 250 watts.
The wooden enclosure not only enhances the bass atmosphere,
but also reduces distortion caused by resonance, delivering pure and crystal clear sound quality. But it's not just about the sound. The TONOR Karaoke Machine also knows how to party.
With its dazzling LED lights, including a cool disco ball, the TONOR creates a fun and romantic atmosphere perfect for any karaoke or party setting. Now, let's talk about connectivity.
The TONOR Karaoke Machine features the latest Bluetooth 5.0 chip, ensuring instant pairing, stable transmission, and extended range.
But that's not all. It also supports micro TF cards, USB,
and aux inputs, making it compatible with a wide range of devices including smartphones, tablets, TVs, and more. And let's not forget about convenience. The TONOR Karaoke Machine comes with two high-quality wireless microphones with a signal transmission range of up to 100 feet, perfect for large gatherings.
Plus, with its built-in 7,000 mAh rechargeable battery, you can enjoy up to 12 hours of continuous music playback on a single charge. And last but not least, portability.
The TONOR Karaoke Machine features a sleek and durable design with sturdy swivel wheels and a pull rod for easy mobility.
Whether you're taking it to live performances, beach trips, or tailgate parties, this karaoke machine is ready to go wherever the music takes you. So there you have it, folks, the TONOR Karaoke Machine.
The ultimate companion for all your karaoke and party needs. Don't settle for anything less than the best soundprint speakers in the market. Get your TONOR Karaoke Machine today and let the good times roll.
Thanks for watching Product Critique.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth product reviews.
Until next time, happy singing!